morning to all.
Good morning to all.
Now I
I
want
want
to
to
talk
talk
about
about
Savitribai
Savitribai
Phule.
Phule.
She was
She was
in India
in India
social
social
reformer
reformer
and
and
educationalist.
unit.
She is
She is
regarded
regarded
as the
as the
first
first
female
female
teacher
teacher
of
of
India.
India.
Savitribai Phule
Savitribai Phule
was
was
born
born